Wait lang. So, ako po si Rosemary and ito po yung How Do You Go Play With Go prepaid namin. So, si Kyla, yung best friend ko. And this is our fun and quirky way and playful way para ipakita yung pag-ano namin sa Globe 143. So, guys, ready na kami? Yan.
Uy, psst! Ano?
Globe ka ba?
Bakit?
143!
Ano naman yun?
Di mo ba alam yung bagong promo ng Globe?
Hindi pa.
Type asterisk, 143, and pound key.
Yes.
Tapos, i-call mo. Number 1, you choose your promo. Number 2, balance inquiry. Number 3, load card. Number 4, all-time fave promos. Number 5, serve promos. Number 6, Gcash. Number 7, info, social and downloads. Number 8, share a load. Number 9, roaming.
Number 1 na lang. Choose your promo.
Yan. Nice choice. Choose your promo based on your needs. Number 1, Immortal. Number 2, Unreal Trio. Number 3, All-Net Combo. Number 4, Unlimited. Basta 5 promos that suit your budget.
Annual trio na lang.
Alam mo ba yung Annual Trio?
Ay, hindi pa.
Annual Trio, yung ba lahat na Unli Text, Unli Call, Unli Surf. Ganun,
Ganda, no?
Correct. La-la. La-la-la-la. Excellent choice. Annual Trio comes with the following: Unli calls and text to Globe or TM, and Unli surfing. So, mamili ka kung ilang days. Number 1, 30 days. Number 2, 7 days. Number 3, 3 days. Number 4, 1 day. Yun, mamili ka. So, ano sa'yo?
3 days na lang.
Dahil estudyante tayo at kapos ang allowance, 3 days na lang.
Tama.
Mura lang naman ang group, di ba?
Tama.
So, ayan, nakasubscribe na kami!
Subscribe na.
Turuan naman natin sila.
Sige, turuan natin.
Asterisk 143 pound key. How do you go? Play with Globe prepaid.